Hey guys, welcome back to Twoguysfinance. Today we're comparing two popular finance tools, Taxfyle and QuickBooks. One is your go-to for stress-free tax filing and the other is the gold standard for small business accounting. Let's break it down. Their main focus. Taxfyle focuses on on-demand tax filing with licensed professionals, while QuickBooks focuses on full accounting and bookkeeping. Let's look at AI capabilities. Taxfy's AI capabilities has AI that matches users with certified tax experts, while QuickBooks has AI-driven bookkeeping, insights, and automation. And look at best for, what they are best for or who they are best for. Taxfy is best for individuals and small businesses during tax season, while QuickBooks is best for small to medium businesses managing finances year-round. And look at ease of use. Taxfy is a simple app. Upload the documents and to help you file the taxes by connecting you to a professional. While QuickBooks has more features and requires setup and learning. When we look at the pricing, Taxfile relies on a pay-per-use for tax preparation file pricing system, while QuickBooks has monthly subscription plans. So here's the deal. Taxfy is all about convenience. You upload your tax documents and it connects you with a licensed professional who handles everything, which is perfect for tax season. While QuickBooks is a powerhouse of small business finance, it tracks income, expenses, payroll, and now uses AI to automate bookkeeping and provide smart financial insights. The takeaway is Taxfy equals best for quick, expert-driven tax filing, while QuickBooks equals best for year-round financial management. If you just need to crush tax season, Taxfy has you covered. But if you're running a business and want full control of your books, QuickBooks is the winner. So which one fits your needs? Taxfy or QuickBooks? Let us know in the comments. And do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more finance app face-off.